Question 111 in our according. Question 23 in February March 22. سؤال factorization, simplifying fractions application on factorization. We can use calculator to find the factorization of a trinomial. Mode 5, 3, 5, negative 19, positive 12, equal, we have two answers, 3 and 4 over 5. 3 and 4 over 5. 3 means x minus 3. 4 over 5 means 5x minus 4. The denominator difference between two squares, x squared minus 9, can be factorized as x plus 3, x minus 3. We can cancel x minus 3 with x minus 3. The final answer is 5x minus 4 over x plus 3.